Hello friends, welcome to the world of chemistry. This is Dr. Vikram Panchal and I am dealing with spectroscopy for chemistry. This is the lecture of IR spectra and lecture number 33, in which I will explain you some stretching and bending frequencies of halides as well as fingerprint region. So first of all, let us take halides, in which there will be single bond between carbon and halogen, where X is equal to chlorine, bromine, probably iodine. So, in case of CS stretching, where X is equal to chlorine or bromine, the band appear between 850 to 550 centimeter inverse. If this type of halide is present, that is primary halide, then we will have CH wagging at 1300 to 1150 centimeter inverse. This is only for terminal halides, so that can happen only in terminal alkyl halides. If CF stretching appear at 1400 and 730 centimeter inverse range, in case of monofluoro compounds, that means there is only one fluorine, then we will observe band between 1100 and 1000 centimeter inverse. In case of CF3 or CF2, the band will be at 1350 to 1120 centimeter inverse. For aromatic halides like benzene, chlorobenzene, then we will observe the band between 1096 to 1089 centimeter inverse. And if it is aryl fluoride, then it is at 1250 to 1110 centimeter inverse. So these are the main bands appear during in halides. Now we will see the most important region of IR spectra, and that is known as fingerprint region. That is between 1500 and 500 centimeter inverse. Besides characteristics group vibrations, which are normally found between 4000 and 1500. Other vibrations involving nearly all the atoms of a molecular skeleton and is called skeletal vibrations. The region from 1500 to 500 centimeter inverse, corresponding to skeletal vibrations, and Normally, this region, the bands in this region are compared with the bands of the same region of known compounds. So that it is known as fingerprint region. This region is complex, consisting of many peaks due to stretching and bending vibrations. Therefore, identification of a particular functional group on the basis of bands is difficult. Small differences of a particular structure and constitution of a molecule results in significant changes. In IR peaks of this region. In general practice, IR spectra of known and unknown compounds are compared. Unknown compounds are compared. So from this we come to know that which kind of functional groups are present in unknown compounds. There are some bands in fingerprint region which I will explain you. that CH bending in case of alkane CH2 group bend at 1425 centimeter inverse. CH3 gives 1470 and 1430 centimeter inverse and 1380 to 1370 centimeter inverse. In case of isopropyl group, CH bending appear as 1385 to 1380 and 1370 to 1365 centimeter inverse. This will be doublet. In case of tertiary butyl group, the band at 1395 to 1385 and one band at 1365 is observed. For aromatic CH bending, in case of monosubstituted benzene, we will get doublet at 850 and 750 centimeter inverse. In case of 1,2 disubstituted benzene, we will observe bend at 755. In case of 1,3 disubstituted benzene, the band at 780, and in case of 1,4 disubstituted benzene, we will observe at 810 centimeter inverse. Okay. Next is ester and ether. Both are having COC stretching, and you will observe basin type of band between 1300 and 1030 centimeter inverse. Halogen compounds where if it is CCl, then the band at 800 to 600. In case of CF, 1400 to 1000, and in case of CBr, the band at 600 to 500. And Ci will be at very low range, so we do not observe normally. In case of OH bending as well as CO stretching, for primary alcohol we will observe at 1050 centimeter inverse and 1350 to 1260 centimeter inverse. In case of secondary alcohol, we will observe at 1100 centimeter inverse and 1350 to 1260 centimeter inverse. In case of tertiary alcohol, we will observe 1150 and 1410 to 1310 centimeter inverse. Okay, and phenol 1200 centimeter inverse and one at 1410 to 1310 centimeter inverse. Okay, in case of C single bond and aromatic amine, primary amine 1340 to 1250, secondary amine 1350 to 1280, and tertiary amine 1360 to 1310 centimeter inverse. That's it in this lecture. Thank you so much.